everyone, welcome back. Forgot your HBO Max password or can't log in? Don't worry, here's how to reset your HBO Max password using your mobile phone. First, open the HBO Max app and tap on the login screen. Next, go ahead and click on the can't sign in, and then go ahead and click on the forgot password and enter the email address linked to your HBO Max account. After that, you're going to go ahead and check your email inbox for password reset management from HBO Max. If you don't see it, click on the three-line option in the top left corner and check your spam or your trash folder. Sometimes they just end up in there. Next, open the email and then tap the reset link and create a new password. Make sure it's strong and easy to remember. Next, go ahead and return to the HBO Max app and log in using your new password. Your password is now reset and you should have full access to your HBO account again, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.